Till now, we were studying that GST is one nation, one tax. GST is going to simplify Indian taxation. But in reality, GST is not that simple. Let us take an example to understand this. Say there is a Kirana shop owner. And he has hundreds of items in his shop. Now each item has different rates. Say soap is 5%, toothpaste is 12%, and some other items at 0%. Now let us say that a customer walks up to the store and buys 10 different items. Customer buys 10 different items falling under different rates. Now Kirana shop owner has to calculate tax for each of the commodity and has to collect it from the customer. Tell me, is it really practical? The story does not stop there. After collecting, every month he has to pay it to the government. It does not end there. After paying the taxes, he has to file monthly returns. Not only one returns, but many returns. So GST is not as simple as it looks. In India, businesses can be classified into three broad categories. The first one is small businesses, the second one is medium businesses, and the third one is the large business. Now talking about small business, they don't have any problem at all because their turnover is less than 20 lakh rupees. That is why they don't get registered under GST. So once they are not registered, there is no problem of payment of taxes, nor there is a problem of filing of returns. So for a small businesses, there is no problem of GST. Let us talk about big businesses. Even for the big businesses, there is no problem because they have enough resources, they have enough employees to comply with the GST procedures. So now only one category which is left, that is middle class business. The middle class business suffers from GST because their turnover is more than 20 lakh rupees. So they have to register. Once they register, they have to collect tax. After collecting, they have to pay monthly taxes. They have to file monthly returns. They have enough employees, nor they have enough resources. To simplify the procedure, to give some relaxation to these middle class businesses, government introduced one popular scheme. This popular scheme is known as composition scheme. Composition scheme has two major benefits. The first one is regarding payment of taxes. Under composition scheme, the dealer is supposed to pay tax at one single rate on all his turnover. So he need not calculate different taxes for different items. The second benefit is with regards to filing of returns. Normally, a registered person has to file monthly returns. So every month he has to file returns. But if he is registered as composition dealer, then he has to file only quarterly returns. That is, instead of 12 returns in a year, he has to file only 4 returns in a year. So this is what composition scheme is. So composition scheme is introduced mainly to benefit middle class businessmen, and it benefits in two ways. One is with regards to payment of taxes and one more is with regards to filing of returns. In our coming classes, we will study who are these middle class businessmen who can opt for composition scheme and what is that discounted rate of tax they have to pay. So in our coming classes, we will be studying all the other provisions which are related to composition scheme.